Removing a memory module. Note: the memory module tool is recommended due to space limitations caused by the location of water loop tubes through the memory section. Remove the tray cover. If you are removing a single-side cooling memory module, remove the DIMM cover. Note: DIMM covers are only applicable for single-side cooling memory modules. Do not tilt the DIMM cover. Keep it in an upright position to prevent damaging the gap pads. Place the tip of the memory module tool on the top of the memory module retaining clip. Push the clip outwards to unlock it. Hold the right and left ends of the memory module and carefully lift it straight up.